So welcome back, guys. My name is Amlan, and in today's Make Monthly campaign, we're about looking at how we can use this headphone with a 3.5 thing on a OnePlus Nord. Now, why I'm making this tutorial? Because the OnePlus Nord device apparently doesn't seem to have any 3.5 jack. Now, this may be to promote the OnePlus Buds, but for people like us who may be wanting to have the default native experience of using the headphones or microphones on the 3.5 jack, this stuff does not have it. So I will be passing on links on the description for something like this. This is nothing but a USB-C to a 3.5mm adapter. So you can see this is the 3.5mm adapter, and this thing goes to the USB-C thing, and onto this you basically put on the headphone. Now while buying this, many of these are available on Amazon. What happens is typically when you play the video now, you will be able to hear this two parts is referred to as the left channel and the right channel. Few of the inexpensive ones will have music coming out just from one channel, so you should be pretty sure about what you're buying here. So if you buy the good ones, you actually hear sound on both the channels, and that is a lovely experience. I'll be passing on link on my description. You can buy it from there. Obviously I get a small commission from affiliate, but this stuff really works, and this is how it will be. So I'll just repeat the steps. Basically, this thing what you see here is basically adapter, and this basically goes to the USB-C port, and this is basically the 3.5mm thing which you normally are used to. But since the device does not have this, you need to buy this adapter. Then you fit this, it gets perfectly fitted, makes that click sound, and then this goes to the USB-C thing, and this goes to your left ear, and this one to your right ear, and you can use the stuff pretty well. So hopefully this makes sense. If it does, please do consider subscribing to our channel. Click on the bell icon for getting notifications. Put down your comments so that we come to know what you want. I will meet you in the next one.